Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin by preparing your workspace and tools before touching electronics. Use a Torx T8 security bit for external screws. Keep a Torx T6 bit handy for smaller internal screws later. Remove the battery pack and peel the sticker covering the hidden screw. Place every removed screw into labeled small containers to avoid mix-ups. Work on a clean, static-free surface with good light. Ground yourself by touching a metal object before opening. Avoid metal prying tools that can damage plastic or boards. After removing external screws, use a 2 mm plastic spudger to separate the front shell. Work slowly along the seam to release plastic clips without cracking them. Once the shell lifts, you will see ribbon cables and the main PCB assembly. Note the orientation of each cable before disconnecting anything. Gently unlock ribbon connectors with the spudger and lift cables straight out. Disconnect 3 ribbon cables and 2 small wire connectors before removing the PCB for safer access to components. With the PCB free, use a Torx T6 bit to remove internal screws holding modules in place. Unscrew and lift out vibration motors and the trigger assembly carefully. Handle the PCB only by its edges to avoid static damage to components. Avoid touching solder points or battery contacts with bare fingers. Reinstall modules in reverse order, making sure every ribbon cable and connector seats fully. Replace the shell, line up clips, and reinstall 5 total screws before testing controller functions for correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.